I am here, Sarwat Khanum of Ahmed Bawani Academy School and College. Dear students, first of all, I want to take the opportunity to thank our Honorable Principal and the in charge of school section to arrange the class for the SSC candidates. Dear students, I'm very happy so that I am talking to you after a long time. I hope you are watching my previous classes on English first paper and second paper for class 10. Dear students, today I'm going to share with an item of writing part of English second paper. First of all, I want to discuss with you about the reduced syllabus for SSC of 2021. I hope you have already got the syllabus and reading according to the reduced syllabus. Yet, I want to share with you the reduced syllabus for SSC English second paper. Dear students, here is the reduced syllabus for SSC candidates for English second paper, and this is the syllabus for your writing part. Number 1, writing CV with cover letter, formal letters, complaint letters, notice, purchase order, responses to an order or request, etc. Writing paragraph. So, dear students, compositions and email writing have been excluded for your syllabus. Now, today, I want to share with you how to write a CV with cover letter. Dear students, writing CV with cover letter, first of all, we have to know what is a cover letter. It is a letter of introduction attached to another document such as resume or a curricula vitae. Job seekers frequently send a cover letter along with their CV for employment as a way of introducing their suitability for the desired position. The people who are applying for new job usually send a cover letter with a CV to the employers. So, here are some characteristics of a good cover letter. First of all, you have to write a cover letter that follows a CV. So, look on at the characteristics of a good cover letter. Number 1, specific and up to date. Your cover letter must be specific and up to date. Secondly, your cover letter must be grammatically correct. Thirdly, it should have reference to the latest job positions most closely related to the position for which one is demanding. So, you have to include these characteristics. You have to concentrate on these characteristics while you are going to going to write a good cover letter. While writing a cover letter, you should in your mind you are going to introduce yourself. So, dear students, in your cover letter, you have to introduce yourself. This is the first purpose of writing a cover letter. Then mention the job you are applying for. Next, show that your skills and experience match the skills and experience needed to do the job. And finally, encourage the reader to read your resume. You have to write the cover letter in such a way that the employer feel encouraged to read your full resume or your curriculum vitae. How long should a cover letter be? You have to keep in your mind, it must be brief. You should keep it short. Your cover letter should not be very lengthy. You have to avoid unnecessary elaboration while you write a cover letter. Then be specific about your skills and qualities. You have to emphasize on your skills and qualities. Next, don't write for more than one page. It is very important for remembering, dear students, never exceed one page to write a cover letter. Finish with a call to action such as asking for an interview or a meeting. In a very polite way, you will request the employer to call you for an interview or a meeting. So, what is a CV? Because after writing the cover letter, you have to attach a CV with the cover letter. A curriculum writer produced a summary of your experience, academic background, including teaching experience, skills, degrees, publications, and other achievements. So, this information must be added in a CV. So, take a look again. You have to add the information or a summary of your experience, academic background, including teaching experience, skills, degrees, if you have any publications, and other achievements. A CV should be clear, concise, complete, and up to date with current employment if you are doing any job currently, and educational information. Now we are going to look An example of CV with cover letter. This is the question. Suppose Bangla Bajar High School, a well-known educational institute in Dhaka city, invites application from the candidates who want to build up their career as teacher. Now write a CV with a cover letter for the post of an English teacher. Here is the question for you. Now we are going to write a cover letter that will follow the CV. So dear students, you have to write your address, your mail address, your mobile number, and the date on the right hand side. And on the top of the application, on the right hand side, you have to write your address, your mobile number, and your mail number with the date. And on the left hand side, you will address the employer, the headmaster, Bangla Bajar High School, 15 by C Bangla Bajar, Dhaka 1100. Now you are going to address the employer. Dear sir, from your advertisement published in the Daily Star on 16 January 2021, I have come to know that there is a vacant post of an English teacher in your institution. I am offering myself as a candidate for the same. As you will see from my enclosed CV, I am currently an assistant English teacher in Holy Crescent School, Dhaka. Dear students, you have to mention the current job if you are doing any currently. At present, if you are doing any job in any institution, you have to mention it in your cover letter. Next, I am committed to pursuing a career in teaching and I am currently studying for further professional qualifications. In addition to my skills and experience as a teacher, I feel that my problem-solving skills coupled with my demonstrated teaching experience will enable me to help achieve your goal. I'm available for interview at any time convenient for you. Dear students, I have already told that you will encourage the reader or the employer to read your whole cover letter and you will politely request him for inviting you for an environment or for an interview or any meeting. Then I look forward to hearing from you. You're faithfully. So look at the cover letter attentively. Name, address, mobile number, email, objective. To get a position as a teacher in any reputed school. Profile, an outgoing and articulate graduate with work experience in teaching. Then comes the personal details. Personal details, father's name, mother's name, permanent address, date of birth, nationality, marital status, religion, and then comes the education. Then it follows work experience, serving as an assistant English teacher in Holy Crescent School, Dhaka. Language, computer skill, interest, and references of two honorable persons. So, dear students, this is an example of a cover letter with a CV. And you have to maintain all the parts, you have to write all the parts that are shown. Those are shown in these particular examples. And please try to write in this way, and I hope that will carry a good mark for you. Then we are now going to discuss another formal letter, that is complaint letter. A written letter in which someone reports a bad experience or situation. It is usually written to complain, to express dissatisfaction or a negative opinion. How to write a complaint letter? Describing one's problem and the outcome one wants. Starting the letter with a salutation or proper greeting, giving a brief description of the complaint and what problems it is causing. So, dear students, if you want to complain about any problem, you have to write a complaint letter to the regarding authorities. Now, we are going to have an example how to write a complaint letter. Anyone can complain through letter if there is a legitimate reason. Anyone can write a letter to the administration regarding the pollution, water supply, traffic problems, shortage of electricity, deterioration of law and order situation. Types of complaint letters. It can be personal, it can be professional. Now we are going to take a look of an example of a complaint letter. Look at the question first. Suppose you are an inhabitant of Borishal town. The law and order situation of the town is deteriorating day by day. The people of the town have been passing their days in an insecure condition. Now write a letter to the deputy commissioner complaining about the fact. Now, here is the example of a complaint letter. As usual, you have to write the address and date on the top of the application and letter on the left hand side. And you are going to address the Deputy Commissioner Borishal. Subject: deterioration of law and order situation. Sir, the law and order situation of the Borishal town is deteriorating day by day. People have been their days in panic. They are in an insecure condition as killing, hijacking, and many antisocial activities are going on even during daytime. Some toll collectors are raising money from almost all the shops and business centers. If anybody declines and protests against this kind of antisocial activities, then his life will be under constant threat. People cannot move freely because they are not safe. Most of the town dwellers don't want to complain against these antisocial criminals. Local police force are reluctant to take any action against them. Murder, robbery, hijacking are not being noticed by the law enforcement agencies. So criminals are moving freely in broad daylight. We, the sufferers of the town, want an immediate remedy of this condition. Therefore, we pray and hope that you would kindly investigate the matter and take necessary measures so that the innocent people can pass their life in peaceful way. Yours truly, write a name on behalf of the people of Borishal town. So dear